Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I've interrupted my holiday preparations because I wanted to give you a heads up about the weekend offer of triple Hornby Hobby reward points, including at the Airfix online store. Hornby Hobby reward points can be collected to use against the cost of future purchases at any of the Hornby online stores, and this includes Airfix. You get 10 points per pound that you spend, and each point is worth 1 penny when you redeem them. So essentially, it's a 10% cashback against a future purchase. This bank holiday, however, Hornby is giving 3 times the usual rate of points. So for every pound you spend, you get 30 points worth 30 pence to spend in the future. Of course, it's really good if you're going to spend them against already discounted products, but they do apply also across the whole Hornby portfolio. This includes Airfix, Hornby Train, Scale Extra, Corgi, and so on. Now, if you are going to take advantage of this, please do go to the Airfix online store through the link in the information box below. If you do that, then at no extra cost to you and with no loss of your rewards, Airfix will make a donation to the running of this channel, so everyone's a winner. As an example, today I was looking at the Airfix Aircraft Mystery Bundle, something I've wanted to buy for the channel for a little while, and there it is at £89.99. They say that's a 52% reduction on the list price for the contents. Well, we'll see about that once they've arrived. Anyway, with my 10% Airfix Club discount, this became £80.99 with free postage, of course. So instead of the 810 points I'd normally expect to get, I've now got 2,430. That's worth £24.30 against future purchases. You could think of it as the bundle having cost me £56.69 against a possible original list price of over £187, which is a pretty impressive discount. Of course, that's an extreme case, but it shows you can make some big savings by playing the system. Now, the offer runs until 9 AM British Summer Time on the 26th of August 2025 and is only on items that are actually in stock, so not pre-orders. And remember, it's calculated on what you actually pay after special offers that they may have, or indeed your Airfix Club discount. And yes, I really do wish I waited a week or so longer before buying that beer barrel Spitfire. So that's it for now. Please do remember to use my affiliate link in the information box below if you're going to take advantage of this offer, and I hope you find some real bargains. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.